This is a brief introduction about how to set up Yaesu 817 or 818 lambic CW settings. First, press F function key and hold for 1 second. Look for menu 17 CW delay. CW delay controls how quickly you can hear signals again. After releasing your key, a shorter delay allows faster listening between characters and sentences. Menu 18 CWID controls whether the radio automatically sends its call sign in Morse code at intervals when ARTS is active. ARTS represents automatic range of responder system. Menu 19 CW pedal ensures the correct pedal lever left or right. Triggers dots or dashes based on your specific pedals. Normal means key or pedal polarity is normal. The tip plug connection produces dots, and the ring plug connection produces dashes. Reverse does the opposite. Menu 20 CW pitch adjusts the audible tone you hear when keying, and simultaneously controls whether your transmitted CW signals appears within the receiver's passband. Menu 21 CW speed that controls how fast the dots and dashes are sent automatically when using a pedal with their internal gear. Menu 20 to CW weight adjust the sound or timing characteristic of the scent. Most code a higher ratio. Makes dash significantly longer than dots compared to the standard 1:3 ratio. Now press the F function and hold 1 second. Exit the menu system. Now press the function key momentarily to get into the menu. Press function B to activate braking. Press function C to activate the key. So now we can use the pedal key to send a message. Most code for practice purpose. We can deactivate the frequency by pressing function B, so the radio does not transmit. Thanks for watching.